transmission fluid, oil filters, all types of oil, brake fluids, fuel system products, octane boosters, differential products, cleaning products, UTV, ATV, V-twin oil, you name it, AMSOIL has you covered. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. Now that's some awesome AMSOIL products, but even more awesome, we love our fans, man. Thank you for the comments, the concerns, everything that's going on. And Greg actually asked one of the questions. He says, hey, how can we store a vehicle? Great question, Craig, and we have the answer for you. Whether it's a carbureted car, throttle body injection, multi-port injection, direct injection, Len, when we store a car, what happens to the fuel?
Well, ultimately, if you leave it long enough, it's going to go bad.
Why?
Well, it actually oxidizes. You've heard us talk about oil oxidizing. Fuel can do the same thing, and that's when the light ends kind of fly away. Bad things start to happen is really the simplest way of saying it.
Yeah, and that's what happened here. This is a fuel pump that we actually had in a tank. We stored the car really not too long, but we didn't use any AMSOIL products. Big mistake. Here's the deal. I got the hose here all deteriorated, the hoses, the pressure sensor here, and then look under here. I mean, it is flaking away. This is actually fuel damage. Len, how can I avoid this problem?
Well, you can treat the fuel. That's going to be the key piece.
Now, what do we treat it with, and what about different equipment? Can I use it in everything?
Sure. We've got an answer that's generic and simple for once. It's not complex. At AMSOIL, we've got a couple fuel additives that are designed specifically for storage, and that is AMSOIL Quick Shot. That's our primary recommendation for your classic cars, for your power sports equipment. We actually have a stabilizer as well, again, recommended across the board for everything.
Now, I was always told if I store my car, it's a good idea to change the fluids. Is that true?
Yes, and the way that works is this. We generally recommend that you change the oil on something, whether it's power sports or whether it's a car, when it goes into storage. Because as you know, and we've discussed before, blow-by can get into that oil, and it turns the oil acidic, and you wouldn't want to put it in storage when the oil is acidic, because that can be bad for bearings. So we recommend you change it before it goes in. Or, if you're already using our Z-Rod product, we understand that customer isn't going to put a pile of miles on those vehicles, so we actually have a 2-year, 5,000-mile drain interval on that oil.
Nice. Greg, I hope that answers your question. You know, all of our viewers, please keep those questions, comments, and even concerns coming. We love to hear from you.